Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Equinox. Stock number is A7270. Starting right away up front, you have nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin Latitude tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end now. You have dual point exhaust, a rear backup camera, and this Equinox is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you do need more space. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23, right on the corner, right on the price. Inside, cruise controls, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Equinox on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.